To prepare to measure your plate accurately, make sure you have a measuring tape and the correct form located on the Albax website. This is a caulked, gasketed, recessed chamber filter press plate, also known as a CGR. There's a groove that the cord is pounded into, and then there's a piece of gasketing around each corner hole and around the outside of the plate. All the measurements for our form are to the outside edge of the groove that the cloth is pounded into. So we look at the first measurement, A. We're going to measure the outside of the plate, and that's 24 3/4 inches. The measurement B is also 24 3/4 inches. For the diagonal C measurement, line up the top left corner hole and the bottom right corner hole, measuring on the diagonal from the outside edge of the groove that the cloth is pounded into. So not from this black gasketing, not from the edge of these corner holes, but on that straight line. And that measurement is 25.5 inches on this plate. The side-to-side D measurement is 22 3/4 inches. The E measurement is the long side, which is one of the sides on the bottom. And we're going to measure from each corner, and that's 13 3/8 inches. The short side is this diagonal by the corner hole from the outside of the groove to the outside of the groove, and that is 6 3/4 inches. The center hole diameter is 3 inches. Finally, the corner hole diameter on this plate is 1 1/4 inches.